Hi, I'm Leslie Polizzotto with Flavors of America, and I'm here with Nicole Shaw, and she is the owner of Kurly Kurtosh. I might not be saying that right because I don't have a Hungarian accent.
In Hungarian, it's pronounced Kurly Kürtősh, but you could say Kurtosh to make it easy.
How did you get started making these awesome pastries?
So I lived in Hungary for 4 years. I traveled there with my husband for his job, and I've never heard of chimney cakes before in my life. I have traveled to over 30 countries for my job. I'm from the New York City area. I lived in Spain, and when I get there, they're having a festival for the entire weekend just selling chimney cakes. So I'm blown away, and I can't eat a lot of sweets in the United States because they're overly sweet and highly processed. These chimney cakes I can eat without any problem. So after, when I was getting ready to leave, I was like, oh, where am I gonna find these in America? Because we have everything. I'm in the New York City area. And I found a guy who makes them in Queens, but I'm in New Jersey. And when I realized it's gonna be really hard to get them, I decided, let's just bring it to Jersey, which I thought was gonna be very easy.
Opened your store. We're here in Nutley, New Jersey, and tell us about your store. What all you got going on here?
So for the shop, we serve the chimney cakes with and without ice cream, as well as amazing Hungarian-inspired lemonades. And then we also have events in the shops. We have birthday parties, we have hands-on rolling events, and then we also can do different corporate events here where you bring in food and then we teach people how to make them. We also go out and do catering as well. And then we have online, we do delivery orders. So we do a ton of stuff with the chimney cakes. Drop off catering, pick up catering. We actually design anything you really want if it includes chimney cakes.
I've been watching you make these amazing cakes, and it's such an art form, and they come out with these wonderful shapes. They're super fun. You get to pull them apart to share, and they're super delicious. The cinnamon one tasted just like a cinnamon donut that I used to have on my menu. Flavors are so delicious. The raspberry sugar, amazing. Tell us about these other two.
So what you have is the traditional chimney cake. That is what you're gonna find on the streets of Hungary. And we have the curly cones. These are what we add the ice cream in. Most people order this because we're in the United States and people love to fill and add things to any pastry. And so that's our most popular item, but the chimney cakes is the most traditional. We're able to put a variety of flavors on it. We can do the Oreo, we can do the raspberry, we have, and these flavors are here. We can do our cinnamon, we have the Oreo flavor, which is our second bestseller. Cinnamon's #1. And then we have what we call our surprise favorite, which is our raspberry topping. We get our toppings from, most of our toppings from our spice purveyor out of New York City, SOS Chef. She services the top chefs in Manhattan. And then we work with other international importers. So all the flavors that you're gonna eat are super yummy, super fresh.
So I tasted the ice cream, and it is delicious. Where are you getting your ice cream?
So we get our ice cream from the legendary Nastos. They've been in business for over 88 years. Everything they do is really in line with the quality of our pastry. They're using fresh lemons, if they're doing peach ice cream, blueberry ice cream. So we pair our pastry with their ice creams, and it's hands down amazing.
You can really taste the quality in your product. The sugars, the ice cream, the dough, everything is very high quality and delicious.
I'll tell you that I spent a lot of time perfecting this craft. In Hungary, they're making them on the streets over charcoal. I learned from someone who received the Mastercraft Award for making one of the best in Hungary. I also learned on the streets of Hungary, making it over charcoal at a local festival. I also traveled to the region where it originated in Transylvania, which is in Romania, but it used to be part of Hungary years ago, and I did that with Hungarian and Romanian friends. So I really made sure I understand the craft, and then because my background is accounting, I went to the Culinary Institute of New York in Hyde Park and learned about yeast, because we use the cake yeast, which is very traditional in Europe. They're using the refrigerated yeast, not the dry yeast. So that actually adds a little bit of complexity to the flavor of the chimney cakes.
so fresh, so sparkly, sparklade. Yes. I love it. Thank you, Nicole, for having me out to your wonderful shop and letting me taste all the different varieties of your chimney cakes and your ice cream and your amazing lemonade. It was delicious.
Well, I will tell you, I'm so happy you came. I learned so much from you about your business. I think she is a wonderful resource, guys, out there. She's done some absolutely amazing things that we can all learn from, so she's just a very special person.
Leslie Polizzotto for Flavors of America here in Nutley, New Jersey. See you next time.